What if I told you that the world's largest asset manager has just taken another major step into blockchain? BlackRock has officially launched a tokenized money market fund on Ethereum, sending a powerful signal that traditional finance is no longer ignoring blockchain technology. This isn't just another crypto headline. It's a development that could reshape how money moves around the world. For years, critics claimed that blockchain had no real-world use. Today, one of the biggest financial institutions on Earth is proving otherwise. So what exactly is a tokenized money market fund? Why did BlackRock choose Ethereum? And what does this mean for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the future of finance? Let's break it all down. What is BlackRock? Before we understand this news, let's understand the company behind it. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager, overseeing trillions of dollars in investments for governments, pension funds, institutions, and millions of investors worldwide. When BlackRock enters a new market, people pay attention because the company has enormous influence in global finance. Over the last few years, BlackRock has gradually embraced digital assets. From launching Bitcoin investment products to exploring blockchain technology, the company has made it clear that crypto is becoming part of the financial system. Now it has taken another important step by bringing tokenized financial products to Ethereum. What is a tokenized money market fund? Let's make this simple. A traditional money market fund invests in low-risk assets such as U.S. Treasury bills, government securities, and short-term financial instruments. These funds are designed to preserve capital while generating a small return. Now imagine taking ownership of that fund and representing it as digital tokens on a blockchain. That's exactly what tokenization means. Instead of using paper records or traditional databases, ownership exists as blockchain tokens. This offers several advantages: faster settlement, greater transparency, around-the-clock transactions, lower operational costs, easier access for institutional investors. Ethereum acts as the infrastructure where these digital ownership records exist securely. Why Ethereum? Many people ask why BlackRock selected Ethereum instead of another blockchain. Ethereum has become the leading platform for smart contracts and tokenized assets. It has one of the largest developer communities, strong security, and a mature ecosystem. Most major decentralized finance applications are already built on Ethereum. Because of this, institutions feel more comfortable building financial products on a network that has already been tested by billions of dollars in transactions. BlackRock's decision also increases confidence in Ethereum as infrastructure for institutional finance. This doesn't necessarily mean Ethereum is replacing banks. Instead, banks and financial companies are beginning to use blockchain technology to improve efficiency. Why this matters for crypto? This launch is important for several reasons. First, it validates blockchain technology. For years, blockchain supporters argued that real-world assets would eventually move on-chain. Today, that prediction is slowly becoming reality. Second, tokenization is becoming one of the fastest-growing sectors in finance. Experts believe trillions of dollars worth of assets, including bonds, stocks, real estate, and investment funds, could eventually become tokenized. Third, institutional adoption continues to accelerate. Instead of fighting blockchain, major financial firms are integrating it into their business. This creates new opportunities for developers, investors, and financial institutions. Finally, this development strengthens Ethereum's role in global finance. As more institutions build products on Ethereum, network activity could continue to increase over time. Does this affect Bitcoin? Many viewers may wonder whether this news is bullish for Bitcoin. Indirectly, yes. Whenever major institutions invest in blockchain infrastructure, confidence in the entire digital asset industry tends to improve. Bitcoin remains the largest cryptocurrency and is increasingly viewed as digital gold. Ethereum, meanwhile, focuses on programmable finance and smart contracts. Rather than competing directly, many institutions now see Bitcoin and Ethereum serving different purposes within the digital economy. That is why BlackRock has shown interest in both ecosystems. Risks and challenges. Of course, there are still challenges. Governments continue to develop regulations. Cybersecurity remains extremely important. Traditional financial institutions also need time to integrate blockchain into existing systems. Adoption will not happen overnight, but the direction is becoming increasingly clear. Large financial firms are experimenting, investing, and building on blockchain technology. BlackRock launching a tokenized Money Market Fund on Ethereum is more than just another crypto news story. It represents another step toward the future of finance, where traditional assets and blockchain technology work together. Whether you're a Bitcoin believer, an Ethereum supporter, or simply interested in financial innovation, this is a trend worth watching closely. What do you think? Will tokenization transform global finance, or is it still too early? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more crypto news, market analysis, and blockchain updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.